Welcome to the second series of our starter pack. This series focuses on the data cleaning phase of data analysis. You will learn useful R commands that can help you modify the dataset before doing further analysis. After watching all the videos, we believe that you'll be able to do data analysis from the very first phase to the last phase of getting useful insights. This series will also apply the knowledge of data visualization from Starter Pack First Series. If you are not familiar with it, please check out the previous video series. Let's move on to the contents of this module. This video will start with an introduction to data cleaning and will be followed by a brief preview of contents and following videos. Now, let's take a look at what data cleaning is. It is a process of detecting and correcting inaccurate records in a database. This is the process of data analysis, and data cleaning is the beginning step before further analyzing data. Irrelevant elements in a dataset may be removed, replaced, or modified. Moreover, new rows and columns may be added to represent additional information. The goal for data cleaning is to make all the data consistent in the dataset. Here are some examples of how data cleaning works. This is the raw dataset that we get. It includes the medical treatment information of each patient in different hospitals. In order to analyze this dataset, we need to clean data first. There are many missing values and blanks in the dataset. To prevent from getting misleading analysis results, we can eliminate all the rows and blanks, or give each blank a specific value. Sometimes, the dataset is too large while it contains many irrelevant information. We can remove the columns that we won't use in analysis and only keep the ones that we need. By doing so, it will become simpler and clearer when running the codes. Moreover, additional columns can be added to carry other important information. For instance, this dataset includes the date of hospitalization and the date of discharge from hospital. But we want to know the period of time that each patient stayed in the hospital. This can be done by adding a new column called period, which contains the period of hospitalization in days. These are just some examples of the results for data cleaning. You'll be able to learn more data cleaning methods in other videos. Here comes the preview of this R learning series. We will teach you several useful functions and deeper and tidier packages. These functions allow you to handle missing values, manipulate cases, conduct grouping, specify date and time format. After learning these basic functions, there will be 3 videos of hands-on projects. We will guide you how to conduct data cleaning and data visualization step by step. With this hands-on experience, you'll have a more comprehensive understanding of what data analysis is. If you are interested in playing with data, please move on to the next video. Let's have fun together.